Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my YouTube videos. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. I jumped right into the skin portion of the video because I already have 3 tutorials that explain my prep, priming process, and brow process. So please check that out. With the Real Techniques buffing brush, I buff in the Maybelline Superstay Foundation 360 into my client's skin. As I near her hairline, I make sure to blend very cautiously and slowly so that I do not add extra product onto her edges. Immediately after blending, I jump in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Deep Sand and Deep. When applying the concealer to the face, I make sure to highlight the bridge of the nose, the chin, under eyes, and forehead. After applying the highlight to those areas, I blend out with a beauty blender, setting brush, and my foundation brush to get more of that skin look, like that satin skin look. I set those same areas with the Sacha Buttercup Light setting powder, and I make sure I push the beauty blender into the skin. After the foundation's got to chill on the skin for a little bit, I go into the eyes with a dark brown eyeshadow that I am using from a Morphe palette. All I'm doing as far as the eyeshadow is just gradually applying more brown and then blending it out. Applying more brown and then blending it out again. Now I'm bringing color back to her face using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark Deepest. And I'm just pushing that all over her face. So if you know me, you know I love lashes, you know I love them long. And the lashes I'm using are from my collection. When applying lashes, I ask my client to look down or close her eyes, and I apply a lash directly to the top of her lash line. I make her look up and then I adjust if need to. Adding a little bit of eyeliner on the top of her lash to add a more bold effect. The blush I'm applying to her cheekbones is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. And the highlight I'm applying is a mix of the MAC Gold Deposit and the MAC Global Glow. I place in the corner of her eyes the Anastasia Beverly Hills 𝒻𝓊𝓉𝓊𝓇𝓈 highlighter to give this look more of a pop. Because sometimes concealer gets under the lashes and shows under the false lashes, I like to add a little bit of mascara on the top and the bottom. Lining her lips with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I apply a Makeup Revolution Nude Matte lipstick, and above that, or on top of that, I apply the NYX Butter Gloss in color Fortune Cookie. I set her face using my favorite setting spray, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and then I allow her face to dry with a hand fan for about 3 to 5 seconds, and this is the finished look. Get into it, y'all. 𝒽𝒶𝓋𝓒, JP, that's me. This is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys once again for supporting me, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever y'all share. And watch out for my next video. Bye.